Assalamu alaikum. Today we will tell you how to get a AC drain pipe out of the waistline. This is my waistline. AC drain pipe has come to out from this 50 pipe. It has to be installed by applying thinner primer glue. By working and quality you will get a certificate, and you will also learn a name and salary, and you will also be salad for our time. And if you do good working you will also learn a name in the, and if you go to other company you will get a good salary, and with more knowledge you can go to a very good post like supervisor, foreman, leadman, etc. Then if get a good post my life will also be set to you. People sold work as hard as people and learn good work, because through labor it is possible that we will become technicians, or it is possible that we will become supervisor. We can turn off the net of the phone. Then do not waste your time and come equality has possible answer dot problem right. आई होप आपको वीडियो पसंद आया होगा.